установления воздушных отводных целей. 17 километров. И на глубинах до 400 от радиолокационной станции, которая в работе.
Automatic gun named Kalashnikov.
Также гранатомет РПГ-7.
And grenade launcher named RPG-7. Against aircraft.
А рядом наземный. А рядом вам представлен наземный калибр.
And lower you can see the space for the lander tiger. Machines.
Для ведения корабля назначенным курсом применяется гирокомпас, магнитный компас, электронный.
Борис Бутома, второй корабль нашего отряда.
This is the second vessel of our detachment, motor-tanker Борис Бутома.
Создателем флота российского, которому исполнилось уже 320 лет.
Marines are always remember the traditions of our Russian Navy, which was founded by Peter the Great 300.
Buhay kayo.
Thank you very much.
From the heart.
Thank you very much.
I hope you can come back more often. More ships.
Range of this helicopter is 350 kilometers.
Максимальная дальность полета, средство поражения общим весом до 700 килограмм.
And weapon,
The Russian Navy?
Yes.
Надо какой руку правой?
For our navies.
Yeah.
Our navies.
That's a sign of fighting spirit.
Happy New Year po ulit. Executive Secretary at ang ating Secretary of Defense. Secretary of Defense. Nandito na po tayo. Nandito na po ang ating Pangulo sa Russian ship visit.
okay na. Video ko na.
Demonstration. So dine-demonstrate nila, ito po ay isang submarine destroyer. Rocket launcher po yun. They can detect submarines po, different kind of submarines.
Sir, una na po tayo, sir.
Russian anti-submarine ship Admiral Tribut is back in Manila for a 4-day goodwill visit. The same warship was here in 2012. But this time, it is looking forward to a brighter prospect, scaling up military relations with the Philippines. It is something unheard of before, especially since the Philippines has been used to dealing with its longtime ally, the United States.
Республика Филиппин. Значит, мы за право выбора. Поэтому, значит, если есть альтернатива, почему бы ее не выбирать?
You can choose how to cooperate, for example, with the United States of America and how to cooperate with the Russian Navy. But from our other side, we can help you in every way which you need.
Words of assurance from the Russian government. The visit comes after the meeting of President Rodrigo Duterte and Russian President Vladimir Putin on the sidelines of the APEC economic leaders meeting last November. The Admiral Tribut and its sea tanker Boris Butoma have been at sea since November, holding naval drills in Indonesia and India. They crossed through the Indian Ocean and even in the disputed territories in the South and East China Seas.
Значит, имеют, интерес в этих, регионах, очень дружеские отношения и
See, we didn't have any problems with another countries or vessels, with the United States Navy, with Chinese Navy.
And that same friendly cooperation with the Philippine military, once established, will focus on solving terrorism and piracy in order to keep regional sea lanes safe for everybody.